Hey, it's Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher with a bit of a different background, but this is going to be the December monthly challenge. The December monthly challenge is asking you to take a song and change it from a minor key to a major key, or take a song from a major key to a minor key. There are a few ways of doing this, but in reality, there's no right answer. Let me show you a few examples, and I'll show you how to approach it as a beginner player and as a more advanced player. So I'll play a song in a minor key that's typically in a major key, and you guess which song it is. The song, it was a song, You Are My Sunshine. You Are My Sunshine in C major. The chords in the song were C major, F major. I took that song and I made it into a C minor to an F minor. And in the end, instead of please don't C to G to the C, I did C minor, G minor, C minor. Some tips on how to do this. Let's take a song in a minor key and change it to a major key. It's a little bit different, but again, I'll play the song in a major key and see if you can guess what it is, and then I'll play the song in a minor key. Guess which song it is? So again, the real song, instead of G minor to D minor to G minor, I took it as a G major to D major to G major. And I modified the melody. So if you're a brand new player, if this is your first few weeks of picking up the accordion, pull up the sheet music or the chord chart for your favorite song. I would suggest starting with a nursery rhyme, a song that you know. Could be Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. C major to F to C, F to C to G to C. And change that into a minor just with your left hand. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. And hum or sing it along. Next step, intermediate players, see if you could play the melody. So instead of major, we're playing in a minor. Right? And we see what the difference is between a C major and a C minor. Difference between an F major and an F minor. That's the point of the challenge, to become familiar with majors and minors, between building chords and majors and minors. Appropriately, also our right hand changes. Quite easy to do with a left hand to change from a major to a minor, but our right hand should come as smoothly. A little bit harder to place the song when it's being switched from a minor to a major. Let's try ballad. Let's try Shostakovich's Second Waltz. So the way it really sounds. Let's try and change that into a major. Taking liberties. Etc. So again, moving a song from a minor to a major or from a major to a minor is the point of this month's challenge. Entries are due by December 31st at midnight. If Thank you for everyone that's been doing challenges this year. Accordion Love members do 6 challenges in a year, and I'll send you exclusive Accordion Love merchandise. Do it 12 times in a year, and you'll get an exclusive prize pack. I hope to see you over on the forums. Thank you.